In this video, I want to show you how you can use the Megapack to merge together multiple PowerPoint, OpenOffice or PDF files. Now, where you might find this feature useful is, say for example, with the Megapack, you created a calendar and then separately you created a daily planner or a weekly planner. You could then use this feature to merge those two items into one file. So let's show you how it works. So once the Megapack is loaded, next to choose an option, I want to scroll all the way down to File Merger and then hit OK. It will then load the following screen. Now here you can select up to 8 different files you want to merge into one, and they will be merged in the order that you select them here. If you don't want to use all of the available slots, just leave them blank. And a final note is you can mix and match between OpenOffice and PowerPoint files. But if you choose to merge a PDF file, all of the files must be PDF files. So let's hit browse and let's start with a PowerPoint file. So I'm going to choose here my calendar I made earlier, and then here my weekly planner, and then down here I can hit save as, and I can choose whether to save as a PowerPoint file, a PDF file or an OpenOffice presentation. I'm just going to save as a PowerPoint file, and then these PowerPoint files obviously you can open in PowerPoint, OpenOffice, LibreOffice, import into Canva and edit as well. And if you wanted to import and edit into things like Affinity Designer or Photoshop or Illustrator, then you could do a PDF file. So I'm just gonna, an example, do a PowerPoint file, and let's call it completed, if I can spell. Hit save and then hit OK. And then we just wait for this process to complete. Hit OK. And now, as you can see, I've got my completed file here. And if I open it up, I've now got my two documents merged together. So I've got my calendar first, and then that then goes into my weekly planner. Now, exactly the same principle applies for PDF files. You can just select here PDF files. Again, I'm going to use my calendar and then a daily planner this time, like so. But when you save as, you must select a PDF file here. So I just call this completed 2, hit save and then OK. And then I have my completed file here. As you can see, I have my calendar and then I have my daily planner. So this feature is a great easy way to combine multiple files together. One little extra tip is make sure that your interiors or your pages are the same size, because if not, when you merge PowerPoint files, it will take the size of the first PowerPoint file that you merge, say that's 8.5 by 11 inches, and then it will keep that size all throughout the document, even if your other PowerPoint files are different sizes. And then with PDFs, it won't resize, so each page, if you've got different page sizes, there will be different page sizes on here as well. So do make sure that they all match up. So I hope this quick introduction to the file merger feature of the Megapack helps you. Thank you for watching.